Hi, Arizona families. My name is Skip, and I'm the General Manager of Sales at Shasta Pools. Today, we wanted to take a little bit of time to educate you on how to research and shop for a swimming pool. We know that this process can be really overwhelming, sometimes even frustrating, so we wanted to give you some information to better arm you and your family as you start down this journey so that at the end, you can gain a total peace of mind about something that is such a big investment and so permanent. As you're researching multiple pool companies, there are a few things that are really important to know. One, quality time. Do not rush this and don't let someone rush you. You should not be picking a package or preset set of equipment. This is too important of an investment. Two, know your why. What is the main reason, the big reason why you and your family want to accomplish this? And then consider that pool company should be asking you great lifestyle questions just to get to know you and customize this project to you and your family's needs. And third is gain a peace of mind. You should feel absolute freedom in asking the toughest questions you could think of because that company needs to be patient enough and knowledgeable enough to give you security in what is going to be now a permanent investment in your home. Next, there's a few specifics you want to consider when shopping with a pool company. One, shape and size. Shape should be something that you have total freedom to do the design that you're in love with. You may hear that shape has bearing on price. Don't let that happen. Two, someone should be visiting your yard in person to get exact measurements. Too many in the industry will actually take a screenshot or a Google Earth shot. That unfortunately allows the industry to come back to you for more money during construction for mismeasurements, utility lines that are shortened. That should never happen. The third thing that's really important is the equipment. What's under the hood? This piece can be a little overwhelming, and some have even told us this is boring. But this is the component that actually helps you understand what your cost of ownership on the pool is, and even determines how much time you'll be spending maintaining this pool. Some families come in telling us we want little to no maintenance, and others tell us, hey, we're retired and we actually enjoy brushing a pool. You should know what your lifestyle is going to be around this pool, and then make the pool company match that equipment up to your lifestyle and not the other way around. The fourth thing to consider are the materials of the pool. This part should be fun, so consider setting a separate appointment for this portion. Someone should be able to walk you through your decking options, the color of water, and even the trim around the pool, which is tile. Now, these are permanent, so please take your time and just enjoy. The last thing to consider when shopping for a pool project is the cleanup and landscape portion of that project. Cleanup is no small task. This is not just someone coming out with a broom. At Shasta, we send an entire crew with a dump truck to come clean all the remaining debris out of the backyard. We want to make it look as good as new as humanly possible. The second thing you'll want to consider is landscape. There is no delicate way to putting in a swimming pool. There's going to be something left to do. So with landscape, you may want to consider the company that can do it simultaneous of the pool project. At Shasta, we have an in-house landscape division. The reason why we wanted to go that direction is because the industry can be known for pointing fingers at each other when separate companies are elected to do these two different phases, the pool and the landscape. Someone could be installing a tree and cut pool plumbing. Others can run a wheelbarrow across the brand new deck and scratch it. So at Shasta, you don't have to worry about being caught in the middle or losing any of your pool warranty. Hopefully you found this information very helpful as you're shopping for a pool. Remember, keep a few things top of mind. One, quality time. Spend all the time you need. Two, meet with a company and choose a company that asks you great lifestyle questions and helps you really hone in on the why of this project for you and your family. And third, get a peace of mind about something that is so permanent and such a big investment. Again, we hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for your time.